Hello Thrivers, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for the warm response for my previous video, Ganesh celebrations in Canada. If you did not watch that, please do check the link over here. And thank you so much for the people who have shared it, and I did not expect that much response from all of you guys. And thank you so much for your time as well. In today's video, we will talk about 5 best books that you need to read if you are starting out. And if you are new here, myself Narendra Veridimma, I make videos on online tools, apps, personal finance, entrepreneurship, books, and the best mentors to follow in life. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Let's strive further together. So let's see what are those 5 best books that you need to start reading. So these books have changed my life completely. The way I think, the way I respond, the way I control my emotions, and the way I improve my relationships. Everything has changed after starting reading these books. So let me tell you the first book that you need to read. The first book, Atomic Habits. So this is from James Clear. He's the best author in terms of habit forming and how to change our life. So this book will help you get rid of bad habits and create good habits that can improve your productivity. And this is the best book in the market to change your habits and to get rid of your bad habits and to create new habits for the better productivity in life. So and the second best book is How to Win Friends and Influence People. So I started reading this book. It's tremendous knowledge. So it is having tremendous knowledge, believe me. So if you're reading this book can teach you countless principles about your relationships and how you can influence people and how you can get better with your relationships as well. So I recommend this book for sure. And the third best book is Ego is the Enemy. So this is from Ryan Holiday. So this book tells what holds us back from living the life it makes us desire so much. So what we can do, overcome it, and how to achieve the true greatness. This is the best read, you can give it a try. And the fourth book is, this is my favorite book, so Rich Dad Poor Dad. This is from Robert Kiyosaki. So this book tells the story of a boy with 2 fathers, one rich, one poor. That will help you understand the basics of finance. So these days, we are not getting this finance education in our normal schools. So it's necessary to have this kind of knowledge. So when you read these kind of books, you'll accumulate some knowledge about finances. Then you can get better at your finances in life. So definitely I'll recommend this book as well. And the fifth best book, it's about routines. It's 5 a.m. Club. So this is from Robin Sharma. And this book says own your morning and elevate your life. So this book will help you to get up at 5 a.m. every morning, build a morning routine, and make time for the self-improvement that you need for success. So all these 5 books are related to every single aspect that will change our life. So maybe it is related to finances, maybe it is related to habit forming, maybe it is related to routines, maybe it's related to how to influence people and all those things. These 5 categories are very much important in our life. So I definitely recommend these books to read. So if you're just starting out, if you are new to reading, so I'll recommend these 5 books to start. If you want to buy these books, check out the links in the description below. And if you like this information, please give it a like so that it will be helpful for the YouTube algorithm, so that it will reach many people and they can get to know what are the things happening here, especially in Thrive Further. I hope you like these 5 books. And if you're reading any books, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if you hesitate to comment in the comment section, let me know in my Instagram. So this is my Instagram. So this is where I update. I'll give all my updates and I'll give my personal updates and YouTube related things, and whatever happens in between, everything will be available in Instagram. Please do check the link in the description below and please do follow. We thrive for that together. And if you want any book suggestions related to finance or self-improvement, please do DM me. I'll respond to your comments as soon as possible. I'll see you in next video. Until then, keep thriving further.